We are to simplify this expression. Quantity 4x to the minus 3 y square over 8xy to the minus 4 z to the minus 5 negative 2 or raised to the negative 2 power. Now remember the sixth law of exponent, a to the minus m is equal to 1 over a to the m. So from negative that becomes positive by bringing this term down to the divisor level and vice versa. So if this is negative, bring it up and that becomes positive. So we'll now apply this principle or this law here. First, let us reduce this to 4 over 8 into its lowest term. So we have 1/2 in times. This is negative, so we have to bring it down. You have 1 over x is supposed to have an exponent of 1, so we have x 1 plus 3. And then times, we have y to the negative 4, so we'll bring this up. So we have now y to the 2 plus 4. And then times, this is negative, so we have z to the positive 5, quantity negative 2. Okay? Let us simplify this one now. So we have 1 over 2x 1 plus 3, that would be 2x to the 4th times y 2 plus 4, 6, z 5. So, raised to the negative 2 power. Now, just remember this principle. To make this positive, we have to bring this whole term down. So, this is now equal to 1 over y 6, then z to the 5th over 2x to the 4th raised to the 2nd power. So this is now positive. Now remember the rule in division of fractions. We will invert the divisor and proceed to multiplication. But since our numerator is just 1, we will just invert this fraction. So we will have now 2x to the 4th over y to the 6th z to the 5th square. Now remember the law of exponent again. We have a over b raised to the m is equal to a to the m and b to the m. So we will apply this principle now, or this law here. So this will now become here. This will now become 2x to the 4th square over y to the 6th z to the 5th square. Now this is equal to we will square this one. 2 times 2 is 4. And then x to the 4 times 2 is x to the 8 over y to the 6 times 2 is y to the 12. And z to the 5 times 2 is z to the 10. So the answer now of this expression is 4x to the 8th power over y12 z to the 10th power. So I think this solution is very simple and very understandable. So if you find this helpful to your algebra class, then please subscribe and share so others will also know. Thank you.